then you've worked at Franklin Templeton, for Goldman Sachs, you've worked in Axis as the chief business officer. So why are you using a mutual fund distributor and not doing mutual fund investments by yourself?
कहाँ कैसे कैसे आंसर दूं मैं इसके, कहाँ से इसका आंसर दूं मैं? Let me start with the most basic.
Because the question is mutual
Very
fund
pertinent.
distributor के expense ratio commissions जाते हैं, right? Like if you see
उसका
the
तो मैं
expense
आंसर बड़ा
ratio,
सिंपल दे देता हूँ, उसका
हाँ,
तो मैं कुशल बड़ा बेसिक सा
हम्म,
आंसर है. मान ले 1% ब्रोकरेज है,
हाँ,
तो उस 1% ब्रोकरेज को बचाने के लिए we are putting 99% of the portfolio at risk by thinking that we can do it ourselves. I will always advise against that, because you have to believe that you, या तो आप ये प्रोफेशनली खुद कर रहे हो, then it's fine. But if your day job is an engineer, अगर आपका दिन का काम है to be a pharmacist, or if you're a doctor or an engineer or a sportsman, then you'll focus on that, no? You won't. You know how much time it takes to buy a stock in when the guys are doing research. To buy one stock, it can take 30, 40 days. This is after having full-fledged research teams. You really think individuals are capable of spending 30 days in buying a stock, in reading everything? I don't think so. I'm not questioning their intelligence.
time ही नहीं है ना इतना
Time नहीं
ज़्यादा.
है. When you under-research it, then you will falter. So coming back to the question that I have the experience, because I've had the experience, I realized that it's best suited to go with great financial advisors. People who genuinely can look into the future, take care of your family, be aware, and also advise when it comes to personal matters. This is not just about financial matters. I've taken advice from my financial advisor on multiple things, on personal issues. He's like a family member. And again, I just want to clarify that, the cost to get great advice is too small, because you're building portfolios for 20 years, 15 years. One or two bad moves is wealth destruction.
But then at a big corpus, like at a huge corpus level like yours, तो वहाँ पे जैसे even a 1% difference in the expense ratio will like move the needle very much, because आपका amount बहुत ज़्यादा है, right? Like you will save lakhs and lakhs if you do it by yourself.
No, but I will destroy crores if I get the direction wrong. मेरे को distance, see, in golf there are two issues in life and in golf: distance and direction. अब मेरे को रात को फ्लाइट लेनी है दिल्ली जाने के लिए, अगर वो 2 डिग्रीज से ऑफ हो गया ना रेडार, आई लैंड अप इन लाहौर. सेम थिंग इज फॉर पोर्टफोलियो. 2 डिग्री लेफ्ट राइट हो गया ना, तो वो 20 साल का रिटर्न विल फॉल बाय 4 to 5%, उस 1% को बचाते बचाते.
So your advice is that कि आपको अगर नहीं आता है तो go to a financial advisor even if the expense ratio is higher.
नहीं, मैं कुछ और कह रहा हूं. मैं कह रहा हूं कि अगर आता भी हो and you're very good at it, then and you professionally do this, only then do it yourself. In any other situation, I have many CEOs friends who do use financial advisors. कुछ नहीं करते हैं, but काफी लोग करते भी हैं, because वो उनका प्रोफेशनल काम है. They do this, and by the way, they look at multiple portfolios. See, I was only looking at Axis at one time, or Templeton, wherever I was. So I was mentally attuned to my fund house. मेरे को वो वाइड एरे देखने का स्कोप ही नहीं था ना. My point is, please use good advisors because they add value.